tried to survive the rainstorm, which was almost like this, but like it was like a short little rainstorm.
Yeah, this might end shortly.
I can't believe it was hailing in the summer.
Oh, it does. And when it hails, that's usually means it's a pretty bad storm.
Well, right now we're going to thunderstorm.
I've never been here either.
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, they have a bowling pin, Daddy. Do we have like a umbrella?
I do not.
Okay, well, we are gonna get wet.
We'll sit in here a minute.
What if the storm doesn't go by in 2 minutes? 2 or 5 minutes?
Well, we'll wait a minute, and if it does, it does. If not, we'll make a mad dash.
Well, it does seem like it's getting a little bit more calm on your window. Because I do see a lot of light right there, right now. I don't know how I can get like this bad. I never seen a rainstorm this bad before. I literally feel like it's hailing right now. Like, literally. Okay, I'm gonna use this to try to protect my phone. Okay, I'm gonna use this area. Did lightning just strike right next to us?
It was close.
Oh my god. No wonder why it was so loud. And just to let you know, I can see what is Okay, we are gonna wait until 1 minute has passed.